Welcome, friends. Today is 19th of August. It's around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do follow Elliott accounts and some of the indicators, mostly. So apparently, it did not record so many things over here when I changed the screen. That sucks. There was a point over here I was talking about that this one is the short position when it was bouncing back, and let's start it from here. We are not going to talk about anything. So what I was talking, this is my indicator that I was working for a long time. I didn't do anything on this indicator for last 6 months, but from the previous 2 weeks, I've been working on it, and this is the version 1. Let's call it beta testing 1. It's not my own indicator. That's a bunch of indicators that I'm combining over here, and I like it. What are the changes that's been done so far in this one? This is our Ethereum 10-second chart. It's scalping. It's a short right now. This orange cloud, this orange thing. What do you see? And this red line, it means the structure is negative, so it's a short. Now the fair value gap, do we see it? These are the small ones. On the bigger scale, if we are looking, is going to be 1490, and the target what I'm looking is 4064 based on the Elliott wave as well. This one was one of my short created over here as an example. So that's why the profit booking was partially around 4080, which we just broke down. And as you are looking, 4064 comes. Now if I'm looking on the bigger chart, which is I'm not going to change the screen, and that was the reason I stopped recording. So we are going lower than previous low. So what does it mean? It's still there's a little bit. Okay, so 50 could come and we might see some bounce, but what I'm looking on the hard time frame, I'm not going to go positive on it. The one target that I'm looking on this one is this 4060 is 4030. 4030 is a good support over there, and let's see what it's showing on the 10 seconds chart. This is just to show that the indicator works on any time frame. I was going to go live on YouTube, but I wasn't sure how it works. I tested one time, and then YouTube told me come back after 24 hours, so I could not use it, and that's why I'm recording the session over here. That's my Bitcoin. Let's change Bitcoin to 1 hour. So what is the concept over here is this is my order block over here, and this could be my buying point. So 112, I'll be going in for real. 112 will be some buying. Exit this price 111965. No, I will go. Let's make it 112, 112k. Whatever I want to invest a little bit will be gone. It will be in at 112. This is Nasdaq. If we are looking at Nasdaq. So these are the bigger time frame. This is the shorter one. If you see that Nasdaq just turned negative to me, it's till then this mode. If you see this cloud, even this cloud over here, this was not. This one was pullback and correction. I see it different way. Pullback is when we have run up, then it has to cool down a little bit. Profit booking, and the correction happens when there could be a chance that direction of market is changing, right? So that's how I see it. Let's see what it's doing in 10 seconds. I know somebody who scalps on second, on an interval of 1 second, and that is quite fascinating, interesting, and too much data to analyze. He has 4 screens. This is only one small screen. He has 4 screens. Each screen is double of this size. What I have, it's 14 inch over here. That's Nasdaq over here. It's going down. It's going to be taken out. There's capital if you see that right now. And Ethereum, let's see what it's doing. I hope it's recording. It's still recording. So 4065 touch actually that what we were looking. I wanted to show you something. If it gives me, let me go to second. Okay, here we are. So okay, this is the buy inside. Okay, buy it over here. Let's see. 4076. 4076 is a buy now, and my stop loss is 4070. I'm looking $6. I should be not looking more than 4081. No, I should not be looking more than 4090 on this one. Let's see. This is good. Green is my strong potential of the buy. I should be exiting somewhere around 4090 if I'm in the real trade. It's risk to reward. My risk is 6 over here. I entered somewhere around 4075. So $6, let's call it. And if I'm risking $6, my profit should be $12 at least. So it's coming at 88 actually. But let's see what happens over here. It's going down. By the way, this is 1 minute scalp, which I haven't done it, but we are just talking about the indicator over here. I wanted to trace this indicator in the live market with not the real money, of course. Yes, but the goal is different over here. This one is. Let's put it over here. Stop loss. I don't have stop loss in this trade, but entry was at, let's call it a buy at 4076, target 4090. Stop loss should be this actually. 4070. Stop loss 4070. We can argue about it. Okay, so these are some negative movements happening on this one. I do not like this block that is created over here, but still it's green. I don't have to worry about it yet. It's coming. I do not want to see it going below this cloud. This is my second. Believe me, on the higher scale, I'm still negative over here. Okay, so let's make it a 1 minute for this one. It's still going down on a bigger time frame. We might see 4088. Actually, I will not even change it. I will change it to 4088 over here. Target is 40. I don't want to be greedy. It's not a greedy. It's just something that I will follow, that I see on the chart. So yeah, this is 1 second scalp. The goal is different. Why we are testing it right now, I'm going to observe the market, mostly Indian market, in nighttime. This trades for at least more than 15 days. I will document each and every trade, and I will see where I go wrong and where there is a need to change something, tweak something. I believe we have to keep our strategy very simple and back testing, right? I do not trust the data that the software gives, and this is bouncing up 483. Come on, let's go. Okay, so you might be saying, I mean, you see this is a strong buying actually. It's pushing out. On the 1 minute, we are going to touch over here. This is my one of the good order block here. You can run up to actually this fair value 4108, but I'm not going to wait. Let's call it a 50%. Hi, this is pushing back now. Still, I'm not worried as long as this one is right. So this is 48 now. So we reach 4085 and we are going down now. Sucker, let's wait. remember I entered somewhere around 40.76 and it's 40.79. This one turned orange, this one is red. Now it's going to be negative. It's going to go in this direction. If you see, this indicator will be sloping downward now shortly. But trade is a trade. Okay, there is a hope over here. It's intense right now. Some activity is happening. It's being picked up. Intensity is going high on the seconds actually. So some markets are opening actually. Who is open right now? Probably Singapore or Japan. Japan is open. Yeah, they might be open, and who knows? And Singapore, they might be 40.88. I'm going to take it at 40.88. 50%. I'm going to take it at 40.88, and rest I will keep it till 41.08. I'm going to end my video when it hits 40.88. It's 9:48. It's been going on for 11 minutes right now. This trade. Actually, it's not 11. Where did I take the entry? 40.76, somewhere around here when it done being. Over here, 40.76, somewhere around here I did the entry. So 21.42 right now, 6 minutes so far. Can you believe 1 second scalp, and I'm into 6 minutes right now. So what you see this candle, it means it's not that strong momentum. We need some validation. If you see it's bouncing, it's gone. Wow. So half is gone over here. We are turning blue. It's very intense, and that's why. Okay, I mean it's work, but you will keep an eye on this. I mean even 10 seconds, 1 minute is very difficult to trade. Anyway, 40.94. I'll come up with a good. At least 30 minutes. I want to do the live trade actually. Not the live trade. I want to go on YouTube and record it live so we can see it. Thanks for watching, and let's hear your comments. Thank you.